Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use flashlight on Redmi A5. So to activate the flashlight, you have just to scroll down and like in that menu, as you can see, you will find the word flashlight. So to activate flashlight, you have just to click on it and the flashlight will be activated easily. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section and we will create a video and answer your question. And until the next video, see you in the next one.